Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the difference. This is a Chinese turbo whistle. You can get it on eBay for, I don't know, $7 or something. Chinese turbo whistle. It's just simple little whistle design. And then this right here is called a Siren whistle. I think it was like $2 on eBay. The metal ones go for like $30. So I'm going to let you guys hear it. This first one right here, just blowing on it. It's kind of, you have to put your lips right on it. That way you get a good seal. Put some air on it. Requires a lot of air. This one right here is just simple, looks like a little turbine. This is the out. Here's the in. All right. And now here's if you combine both of them via this method right here. It's very hard to push air through that. Yeah, that doesn't work. So this is more of a whistle and this is more of a turbine, and I'm trying to figure out how to mount that to my car so I can get enough airflow through here. I'll probably make this an exhaust somehow. Paint it up, make it match my car. So tell me what you guys think.